Okay, now I've cleaned the deck of the hot water heater, and I'm gonna open the LED power bank torch. So I'm assuming a torch is wow, it already is lighting up. Cool. It says waterproof. And I can see that this is magnetic. And, all right, so flashlight, you can see. All right, and then a hanging light. Brighter. Red. No, that was orange. That's red, blue. All right, we're gonna have a disco at camp. We have red and blue, or we'll put that on top of the rig and we'll make everybody think the police are coming for them. Anyway, that's cool. Pretty simple. And let's see here. I unthreaded the push button to turn it on and off, and that is where you have a charge as well as a recharging. I will have to check to see how much it'll charge, but it'd be a nice handy backup. I've got multiple chargers, as most of you do, but it'd be a handy backup to have a flashlight that's magnetically stuck to. Better make sure that's magnetic. Yep. Magnetically, yeah, it'd be great to have a device that's magnetically connected to your rig, where you can turn the lights on and off, use it as a flashlight, or charge the device with it. That is the LED power bank torch. I don't know if you can see that. It's 2600 mAh light. Cool, right on. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side. It comes with the recharging cable as well as a leash, which I like to put on everything because it makes it a little less hard for me to drop it and or lose it. So there you go. And then the three-way plug that I got. So as I have products coming in, and I don't necessarily want to immediately hardwire a 12-volt device into my rig. So I have a setup. It's got an on-off switch, and then it's got three 12-volt plugs, and then it's got some USB plugs and more USB plugs and a Type-C. So it's got a lot of different plugs where you can charge things. Got you power on and off for each one of the 12 volts. But this allows me to plug something in, to test it, to see how it's going to work before I decide to shift over and maybe hardwire something in on a switch and a relay. Always with a switch and a relay. But this will be really handy, and it's just a simple 12 volt on off with multiple plugs. Really great for a camper, by the way. I mean, you probably already have something like this. It's very versatile if you want to run a 12 volt TV or something inside your camper. This, by the way, does come also with a wall mount. I have another one of these in another one of my in the truck setup. But so I really enjoy these. Peel a sticker, stick it to the wall, and then you can clip it and or remove it if you need to move it around or move it closer to a device. Several times I've had to charge things, and this has really saved me because I didn't have an open plug. Everything was filled up with something else at the time. So those are a couple more devices that I got in from KickAss, and I will be testing more. I'll do a full test video on the hot water heater, and then I'll do a little more playing with this torch or flashlight, light/flashlight/charger. I think I like that they just called it a power bank because that's too many words. But especially for me to say, I'll stumble over them and make it look a mess, I'll stumble over them. Well, anyway, I'll just clip this part out because it's really a terrible outtake. Oh yeah, there's the waterproof. And I'm not sure if you can see the brightness. Orange, red, blue, flashy red and blue.